What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Homestead Dan for another video. Today's video, I'm going to talk about something that I actually been working on for a couple of days. This is a planter, or this will be a planter, I would say. I made this planter out of pallet wood. Look off inside here. I'll do a better shot of it. This took me some time to actually build, and that's what I'm saying. Like, if you got pallet wood, you can build yourself anything. Like, literally anything. So this is how the planter looks, and this is how the inside looks. Honestly, first off, this thing is not leveled and it is not proportionate at all, but I utilize these blocks to make some pretty good legs and some pretty good feet for it to, be stable. And this thing is very, very stable. I still need to do some finishing touches on it because this is not, I need to put some like brace points on this thing. One of the issues that I actually ran into making this thing was this part. And I just put wire right here. It's going to be used as a drain, even though that I can use like the cracks of the wood as a drain. I'm using this as a drain, but I had to put wire right here because I couldn't close off the wood. I kind of messed myself up, so I just improvised and put wire on both of these sides and just going to utilize it as a drain versus trying to find a way to put wood right there, because I just simply didn't. This thing clearly is going to be holding a lot of dirt in there, or it can hold a lot of dirt in there. But I think for something like this, it'll be very, very helpful. This thing's about waist high for me. For something like this, it's good so that you wouldn't necessarily have to bend down all the time, because we actually have some planters which are very, very low to the ground, but this is, you can actually stand up and work in it with your hands and stuff like that. You don't necessarily got to bend down with your back and stuff like that. Look, I'm not a professional builder or anything like that. I tried my very best to make this, level. When you don't have a level surface, because this dirt is not level at all, you kind of just got to work with what you got and utilize what you got. And so I just had to utilize my hands, a hammer, and a pallet wood and put this thing together. This is the end result of it. It's not bad. It's not bad looking. I'm excited about one day being able to use this, or even giving it to maybe my parents. Maybe they'll utilize it more than I need to, because I'm young. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike it, well, consider still giving it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. I'm open for some considerations as well. Again, this isn't the final piece, because again, I'm going to be putting more pieces to make, especially the bottom more uniform and stable. I'm not upset about how this actually turned out for me, so we'll see.